In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell online coaching with Payhip. We're going to walk through the basic setup process so you can create a coaching offer directly inside your Payhip account and get it ready for customers. If you already have your coaching idea in mind, this should feel very straightforward. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, sales, and store settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section. This is where all of your digital products, memberships, and services are organized. Click on products to open that area and then select Add New Product. This is the starting point for creating something new to sell in your store. Payhip offers different product types, so at this stage, you'll want to choose the option labeled Coaching Service. That tells Payhip you're setting up a service-based offer rather than a downloadable product or another format. After that, enter the name of your coaching offer. Choose a title that makes it immediately clear what the customer is buying. A simple, descriptive name usually works best because it helps people understand the value of the session right away. For example, your title should reflect the topic, outcome, or type of support you provide. Once the name is entered, click. Next, to move forward. From here, simply follow the remaining setup steps that Payhip provides on screen. This part is where you'll complete the details needed to finish building your coaching product. Take your time as you go through each section and make sure the information is accurate and easy for your customers to understand. Clear wording is especially important when you're selling coaching because buyers want to know exactly what to expect before booking. As you complete the setup, keep your offer focused and professional. Make sure your coaching title matches the service you actually provide and review everything before saving or publishing. Small details can make a big difference in how trustworthy and polished your product page feels. Once you've finished the on-screen steps, your coaching service will be much closer to being ready for sale on Payhip. At that point, you can continue refining your listing and preparing it for your audience. And that's the basic process for creating and selling online coaching with Payhip. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a solid foundation for offering your coaching services online in a simple and organized way.